Thank you for these. I'm going to show these to Robin. Well, can't wait for Thanksgiving tomorrow.
Isn't that great? Your mom can see.
Yeah, I know. It's like a blessing.
Oh, one more thing. I was wondering if I can make a pumpkin bun cake tomorrow.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be great. So we'll see you tomorrow.
And I'll see you tomorrow.
The all-new 375 horsepower Hyundai Genesis can pull 0.94 Gs through a corner, surprisingly better than the BMW 550i, which means the competition may just begin to fall out of the picture. Find out more at HyundaiGenesis.com.
Got your hands full? It's Papa time.
It just didn't make sense to me. How does anyone offer a 50% off sale all the time? 50% off of what? I got that price, and then I went direct. National Floors Direct. National Floors Direct was almost 40% less expensive than their half price. How can that be?
Next day installation of beautiful name brand carpet and hardwood flooring, and will be anyone's price by 15% or it's free. Call 888-400-FLOOR for a free estimate.
I saved $1,900 and had my floor installed the next day.
This is the advanced compatibility engineering body structure of the Honda Civic. Its purpose is to help protect you